Hey you and welcome. I'm Summer Teacher 7, also known as Mr. Berry by my students, and today we're going to be looking at the Wake Up Sunrise alarm clock with 8 colors there and many functions, as well as more than 30 different songs and melodies there and white noise there to help you fall asleep with. Alright, well, let's take a look at this clock, you and I. Come on. The Wake Up Sunrise alarm clock comes nicely packaged and has many features to gradually wake you up in the morning in a natural way. Comes with a USB charger, cable, and a backup battery that's found in the clock itself. This simulated sunrise wakes you up gradually in a more of a natural way to be less stressful for your busy day. It does come with a 12 to 24 hour clock, DST, and has 5 levels of dimmer. It has 8 attractive colored lights, a reading light, and an atmospheric light. It has 9 ringtones, It also has a sleep aid with 11 white noises and 31 natural sounds. It has dual alarms and snooze functions. It has a backup battery and a USB charging port for your cell phone or tablet. So when you want to set the time, just press this button right here where it says 12 to 24. That will change that aspect of it where you can have the 12-hour clock or the 24-hour clock. But if you just hit it once, you'll notice right away that this will start flashing. And if you move the dial, you can move it up to the hour that it is in your area. And then if you press it again, boom, now the minutes are up. So you can adjust that by just rolling the dial to the correct time. There you go. And then you hit it once and it's all set now. To set the alarm, you have 2 alarms that's available here. So we're going to go with alarm number 1 and hold it. There we go, and you can adjust the time there. So maybe I want to wake up at 6 a.m. So I have it to 6 a.m. Press it. Now I have the minutes, and I'll do it exactly at 6 a.m. Press it again. Now you have the wake up song or the alarm, and you can change to adjust to the one that you want. Maybe I want that one there. Press it again. And this is the volume. And next is we have your sunrise there. What is the brightness there that it will get to right when it hits the alarm? And you want it very bright. There you go. Hit it again and it'll show 15 minutes. So 15 minutes before the alarm goes off, it will start to get a little bit brighter. You'll actually show a faint red glow at the 15 minutes though, and then get brighter. Here's 30 minutes before alarm, or even an hour before the alarm. You'll start glowing a little bit. You can also have it as off if you wanted to, but I'll go 15 minutes. Let's hit that button again. You also have a nighttime music sound to help you go to sleep. So if I press the song, that will go on there, and I can change the song. There's many different songs there to use from. And what we're going to do is we can also change the amount of time. 90 minutes, 120 minutes, 180 minutes, or off, meaning you'll just go on all night long. The smallest is 15 minutes, by the way. So, and if you want that off, by the way, you just hit the power button and it turns off the music altogether. And another feature right here is the display brightness. So if I press that and then move the dial, there's very dim, and I can move up the brightness all the way there to the max, which is 5. So that's kind of nice. So you can adjust the display brightness. And then also the one next to it is this light bulb. Well, that's like a night light. So let's say you want to have a night light option. There you go. And you can adjust the brightness too of this night light. Let's bring it down a little bit. And there's different colors. There's many, many different colors there. That is pretty amazing there. So there's so many different features. So we have 2 alarms, 12-hour, 24-hour clock. But of course, this also allows you to adjust the time. You have a timer here too, so that if they say you wanted that music going on or the sounds going on, well, how long do you want it to go on for? Well, maybe 15 minutes is long enough, right? So hopefully within 15 minutes you fall asleep. So that's a timer there. And you can adjust that too by pressing it and then by moving the dial here. This is white noise. You can adjust the sound for that too. This is our music. This is just to power off everything. And if you want it back on, there you go, for the sounds or even the night light. So now for the big question there, do I recommend it and why? Well, yes, I do recommend it there. And the reason why I recommend it is because it's not only an alarm clock with many different features and functions there, but it also is a sleep aid where it gives me a white noise if I wanted to. And there's actually many different white noises there if I didn't share that earlier, but there you have many white noises. You have 31 different music or sounds there, and you can actually be playing those in the background. So if I just try that right now, these are white noises, and there are different white noises. And they are slightly different. Just depends on what your ears pick up there and what you need. For the music, you have many different songs there, but you also have like background crickets and frogs and nighttime sounds, which I kind of like there. And to turn those off anytime, you just press the power there and that all goes off there with the sound. So as I was saying there are so many functions and features found in this one device there that I found it to be something that I really enjoy using there in my room where I sleep. So I do recommend it for anyone who wants to have a better night's sleep and wake up there feeling basically better. Hey, so now you know more about this Sunrise alarm clock here. It is really nice, as I said earlier there, and I do recommend it again. All right. Hey, thank you very much. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and leave a comment down below for a future video. I'll make sure that I'll get the part there and do a review on that for you. All right. Hey, you all have a very good day, and bye-bye.